What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing the second unboxing on my channel per month. This is for January, obviously. I finally got all my stuff in. We're gonna do the multi-box unboxing. I don't know what's going on with my hair, so just ignore that. I got paint on it yesterday and I need to wash the paint out, and so here we are. Okay, anyways, today we are going to be talking about the Bevy Tubless box, Boxycharm Premium, and then the regular Boxycharm box. And then I think on Monday is when the video is coming out. I'm gonna do a try on using products from these boxes and from my Ipsy boxes, which I'll leave that video linked if you have not seen it yet. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I love Boxycharm. This looked like a pretty good month from the spoilers that I saw. So let's go ahead and take a look into this. We are going to start with the regular Boxycharm box. I will leave timestamps down below if you're only interested in one or two boxes. I feel like this month is kind of light because we're only unboxing 3 boxes, but that's okay because next month there will be more, and I'm actually making some changes to these boxes this month, so just, you know, strap in. But I will leave timestamps down below if you're interested. Boxycharm, this is a regular box, so it's $25 a month, and then you get 5 to 6 full-size products inside, which always makes my heart happy. Okay, so the theme for this month is fresh start. I can totally feel that. I am currently decluttering every single thing in my home very, very slowly, but I'm getting rid of a ton of stuff, and I'm very excited about it. And so for me, that is my fresh start this year. All right, let's go ahead and let's take a look. Let's take a look to see what we got. The first thing in here is a palette. This is interesting because in my Ipsy bags, I didn't get an eyeshadow palette this month, and I was like, what is happening? Which, I mean, I'm doing the pan in every palette, so it's kind of nice, but I like getting new eyeshadow palettes. So this is the Velvet palette. It is 12 eyeshadows. This is so, like, I don't know what I was expecting, but it was not this. This is beautiful. Oh my God. Ooh, and I like the texture on these. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I mean, look at those swatches. That is so, yes, okay, I'm excited about this one. The color story is I don't necessarily know how inspired I am by this, but it looks really pretty. The shades feel so nice and soft, so we'll definitely give it a shot. We'll see how we feel about it. I am torn so far. Like, my first impression on viewing the palette, it could go either way. Could go either way. We'll have to see. Next, we have the Farmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. I love Farmacy products. They make my holy grail makeup melter, the Green Clean. Oh my gosh, I love that. Ooh, 4 fluid ounces. This is nice. This is a really nice, like, frosted glass bottle too. This has moringa and papaya in it, and it is an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, cleans pores, and controls oil without overstripping skin. I can definitely get down for that. And this retails for $28, which is more than the cost of the boxes. I don't know if I'd ever want to spend $28 on 4 ounces of toner though. Like, I don't know for sure, but it's nice, and I'm really excited to try it out. I obviously have way too many toners right now, but that doesn't stop me from getting excited about them. Next is my choice item. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer in LN2. They gave you the option of, like, different shades, so this is the shade that I picked. I did go strictly based off of online though, obviously, so here's hoping that it's a good shade match for me. This retails for $35, and it's listed as a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation with an SPF of 20. So obviously that's very cool. I don't remember if I've ever tried any Pure foundations before. I feel like I have. They did one, Be Your Selfie or something like that, and I remember really liking that one. I don't remember what the exact name of it was though, but I'm excited about that because it's not every day that we get, like, foundations and things in subscription boxes. So it's very fun for me when they do pop up because I obviously love trying new ones. And it's just a nice, it's a nice different change of pace for subscription boxes because they are kind of rare. Okay, then we have the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Ooh, boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils. Okay, so you are just supposed to put this on your lips before you go to bed at night and leave on overnight, and you can also use it during the day as a tinted lip glow. So if it's tinted, what color are we looking at here? So it appears to be just like a clear balm, Interesting, interesting. I'm gonna have to play around with that, kind of see what I think about it. But obviously I really like lip masks. I'm not the biggest fan of like tinted lip products, but we'll have to give it a shot because obviously the lip mask portion has me the most intrigued. And then the last product in this box is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Okay, 2 lip products. That's very interesting. This one is just a tubed lip balm. Hashtag kiss the planet. That's nice. This says essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. And coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. This lip balm retails for $33, which is a bit much for just a regular old like lip balm tube. Oh, it's very thick. Holy crap. Okay, that smells really good. It smells like coconut and mint. Oh my god, that is like super smooth. Like it comes out almost looking like a lip scrub because it's so thick, but then it's like a lip melt. Do you guys remember that the body melt oil to balm thing that Ipsy had sent out forever ago that I freaking loved? It's like that for your lips. Okay, I'm on board. I really want to try this now on my lips. Obviously not right now because I'm wearing lipstick, but as soon as possible. I'm on board. I believe that this retails for $33, and I guess the real question is would I pay that much to get more? Okay, so all in all, this is an interesting box. It had 2 lip products, but they were 2 different lip products. You had a foundation, you had a toner, and then an eyeshadow palette. All in all, I like the box. I don't love 2 lip products in one box, especially 2 very similar lip products. However, I'm willing to kind of overlook that, I guess, if the lip products are as good as they seem like they're gonna be, which hopefully they will be. Now we are going to talk about Boxycharm Premium. This box is $35 a month and you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty-esque products. Let's go ahead and take a look. The theme across Boxycharm boxes are the same every month, so this theme as well would be Fresh Start. First product we have in here is a $48 product. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. Ooh, okay. I like the Summer Fridays brand. I've tried a couple of their things so far and they've been pretty good. Okay, this irks me because you've got this ridiculous oversized box, but then this is the actual tube. I mean, okay, well, like, it went inside, but like, was that really necessary? All of this packaging for this little tube, was that really necessary? This is a decent sized mask though. It's 2.25 ounces, and it says that this is, you can use it as a nightly mask, a daytime moisturizer, or an in-flight lifesaver. It's a multitasker with nourishing vitamins, ceramides, and antioxidants that leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. Okay. I've tried some stuff from Summer Fridays. I can't remember if this was one of them or not, but I'm thrilled to try this because this just sounds amazing. Ooh, that feels really nice too. That feels like super hydrating. I don't know if I'd want that as a moisturizer though because it's very, I don't even know what the right word for that would be. I don't know. I think I would definitely use this as a mask though. Okay. I don't know why, but like this packaging, I don't know, like it draws me in. I really like packaging like this, so that's a good start to the box. Then we have a palette here. This is from Ofra. This is the Mini Mix palette, Good to Go. Oh, yes. You guys know me. I love Ofra. I love Ofra palettes. They're so good. Look at that. You've got some beautiful eyeshadows. You've got a blush, a bronzer, and a full-size highlighter in all of the lights, which, lucky for me, I don't actually own that one yet. Do you? Ooh. Okay, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. These shadow shades are also really pretty, and I like the different kind of color combinations because I feel like that would make really beautiful looks. So I'm down for this one. You've got my attention. Like, we're good to go. We're good to go. Next product in here was my choice, which if you've been watching my other videos might be a little bit confusing. I'm pretty sure I ended up choosing this before I decided to do this shit that don't fit bag. I could be wrong, but it is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder. I got mine in the shade Butter. This is a $32 setting powder and it's supposed to prevent flashback. It comes in 8 shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It also is supposed to blur the look of pores, fine lines, and imperfections. And it actually comes with like a little sifter, which I think is nice. The packaging of this is so beautiful, but it's so over the top big. And that's one of the things that I was kind of trying to move out of my collection. So we'll have to see if I can get this to fit. I don't know what my plan is if I don't. I do think that this shade is going to be like a good match for me though, and I'm really excited to try this. I love Fenty Beauty, you guys. I absolutely love them. And this is like, oh, this is like a display piece. Maybe that's what I'll do with it if it won't fit in my drawer. I saw it and I was like, I need to have that. I need to have that. That was my collecting lizard brain, you guys. Okay, next we have the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. I actually have this already. I haven't tried it yet because it's one of those things that I've just been like saving for when I gain my sanity back. I don't know. But it's $32 and it's clinically proven to remove waterproof makeup, SPF, and pollution. So it shifts 3 times while you cleanse. It starts as a jelly, it shifts to an oil, and then a milk to gently melt away dirt, makeup, and pollution for a soft, clean finish. So I have this. I have not used mine yet, but it's one of those things that I've been like really antsy to, but like I don't want to waste it, you know, and I'm trying to get over that. So hopefully I end up liking it because now I have a backup, which surprisingly I'm okay with because I tend to go through makeup removers really quickly and it's always nice to have some that I don't have to pay ridiculous prices for. Ooh, this is another thing by Fenty Beauty. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I have not tried a Fenty mascara. Oh my god, the packaging of that is so pretty. It's like paint splatters almost. I love that. I don't want to open it because this is going to go into my back stock because I'm already planning in my try on video to use Anastasia Beverly Hills mascara. They came in my AFC bag, but I'm really excited about that. You guys know me and mascaras. And I didn't even know that Fenty came out with a mascara, so have I just been like living under a rock or what happened there? I don't know, I'm very intrigued by it. And then the last product in this box is the PMD Silver Pure. It is a silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. It's antibacterial, ultra soft, and reusable. So this I'm really happy with because if you guys have been watching me, then you know that I'm switching over to like reusable cloths instead of the makeup removing wipes and things like that because I don't like the waste that that produces. So I primarily have a lot of makeup erasers, like the name brand makeup erasers. I do have some things from other brands as well. This one is pricey. This one is $30 and it's a square. You can hang it up, which I do like that because the makeup erasers you can't. But I think I like the shape of the makeup erasers more because I can kind of fold them and use them more often than I would be able to a square. So this says it has antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver. Is that a thing? It's nice and soft. I do like that, and I love the fact that it's pink, obviously. So we're gonna have to give that a shot. I didn't know that silver was a thing. So all in all, this box, we got a mascara, a makeup remover, or makeup removing cloth, a multitasking mask, a powder, and a palette that has both eyeshadows and face products in it. And honestly, I think that's a pretty good box. Like, I definitely like this one more than the regular Boxycharm this month. I just feel like this one had a much larger variety of products, so good job, Boxy. And now we are going to talk about the Bath Bevy Tubless box. This one is $42.95 a month with $6.96 shipping. And you get basically bath products, but for your shower. So body washes, shower steamers, things like that. In my last couple of videos unboxing this, I've gone back and forth because it is a very expensive box. I've been debating if I want to keep it, if I want to try out different boxes. I have made my decision. This will be my last Bath Bevy box for the time being. I want to play around with some other boxes. I just resubscribed to a craft box that I also spoke about in a previous video. So for now, this is going to be my last one. Let's take a look to see what we got. Yeah, theme for this month is Snowed In. That's really cute, actually. I like that. I will say, in a lot of the boxes, they've sent candles. I am going to miss the candles that they send because I actually really like them. They're very good candles. The first product is a whipped soap scrub in Frosted Pine Cone. So it's crisp apple, cedarwood, and frosted pine cone scents. I love the packaging of this stuff. I will say one of the reasons that I have decided to kind of pause my subscription with them for a while is because the products themselves do seem to repeat a lot, which I get because there's only so many like shower type products that you can make. I love the texture of these though. Oh my god, that smells phenomenal. I love that. But I feel like if I'm going to go like bath slash shower products, I much prefer just the variety that like Lush and Fortune Cookie Soap has. These are just kind of like the Fortune Cookie Soap and Lush are always coming out with new things. And this is the third month I've gotten this box, and this is the third month that I've gotten a whipped soap scrub, you know, and I feel like, nah, I could probably take a break at this point. It does smell good though, and I do like them, so don't get me wrong. I think it's a good box. It just does tend to get a little repetitive sometimes. And then we've got another candle. This is the Snowflakes Twist Tin Candle by Valley Candles. It has a burn time of over 10 hours. And this says the crisp, cool freshness of winter, airy ozone and woody oak moss with a base of aquatic notes. This smells identical to a Bath & Body Works candle. I have no idea what scent it is, but it's one of those like oceany scents. It smells like snow, you guys. That's really good. That's good. I like that. And then with every candle, they also send a cute little pack of matches in the same theme as the monthly theme for the box, which once again is adorable. I think the candles are my favorite part of this box. Next, we have a soap. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is a frosty blend of mints with a hint of eucalyptus. It's from Two Wild Hairs, and it's glacier soap. Okay, see, that looks like, I love soap like this. I don't know why. It's just so pretty to me. So good. It's like mint with a little bit of eucalyptus in it. That's good. That's really good. I like that. Then we have also from Bath Bevy a mint cocoa body butter. Okay, this is a little bit different. Ooh. Oh my god, this smells like Thin Mints. Oh, that's really thick. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. So this says that it has soothing menthol crystals in it and then rejuvenating organic arnica extract. God, that seriously smells so good. If you like minty scents, yes, that's incredible, incredible. Then the last thing that we have in here is a pack of shower steamers. These are a calming lavender scent. That's one of my favorite scents. Oh god, that is a strong scent coming straight out of the packaging. So I like these. You literally just put them in your shower, not directly in the stream, but kind of off to the side, and it just fills your shower with the most like relaxing, invigorating, whatever you want scents based on what scent you've chosen. Oh, and I love them. I love them so much. Okay, that's pretty good too. Pretty good too. All right. I really did like this box. You got a sugar scrub, you got a candle, some matches, a soap, a body butter, and shower steamers. Like I said before though, I feel like overall the box tends to get very repetitive and I want just some variety, you know? So for right now I'm taking a break from this box. I'm going to switch to a crafting subscription box actually. However, I probably will at some point in time try out a different like bath or shower box. I haven't made up my mind yet, so I'm kind of just going back and forth with a few different options. So if you have any recommendations, please let me know down below. All in all, I feel like this was a really good unboxing though. I liked everything, right? We didn't have any non-cruelty free products, which is fabulous. We didn't have anything that I was like, meh, not really excited about that. This is a really good unboxing. Thank you. Okay. I'm very pleased with that. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me and my boxes. And I will catch you guys next time.